Get him. Watch out. There it goes. Watch out, airplane, baby. Here it goes. We got our straps. Get him, Felix!
And it's about to be a closing call.
It's not just a simple put in. Grind it right. You gotta know what you're doing.
All right, Sabrina, the boss lady, is closing on a deal today. And thanks to Miss Tabitha for hooking us up. All right, thank you.
Stay tuned for 2 duplexes. One on this side and one over there with a big white dually truck. Radfordhomes.
And first on the other side across the street.
In the middle of 2021. This will be the other side. 2 separate purchases. And we'll be building on both of them. Salute my wife, who is a licensed realtor. You can reach her at 863-205-1307. You told me it was going to be a big difference. All right. So, how you doing, Miss Radford? Where are you heading?
I'm headed to the Ugly Sweater Christmas party with my LaRosa family.
All right, so how can they reach you? Are you a realtor?
Yes, I am. 863-205-1307.